Alright, now that I showed you how to do the first layer, now it's time to flip the cube where your green is on the bottom. Okay, now you want to get these center pieces, and this is what you're called. This is your first layer, this is your second layer, and this is your third. So we're going to complete the second by getting these. And you see this piece is in the right spot. It just needs to be switched. But I'll show you one that we have. Okay. Red and yellow needs to go down here. It needs to turn like this and be like that, basically. So it is completed. And the way you do that is you have that color that's matching facing you, and then top left, right up, top left, right down, top right. Now this is a tricky part. I'm not doing top or right or left. I'm doing the whole face left, so that it puts those together. And then boom. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't say that. Okay, after face left, top right, and then face right, so that, and I'll show you real quick again. Alright, now orange and yellow. Alright, now it needs to go down to the left. So now it's opposite. Top right, left up, top right, left down, top left, and then face right. So it puts those two together. And turn that. Alright, and I'll show you again. See, because I've done the cube for so long, I turn the whole thing relevant to the easiness of in my head. So I'm gonna do it for you. Alright, so you're gonna want the colors facing you. You want it to go to the right. So top left, right up, top left, right down, top right, face left, top right, face right. Alright. This one needs to go to the left now. Top right, left up, top right, left down, top left, face right, top left, face left. Kind of confusing. I'll do that again in case I didn't do the sides correct when I was doing it. Alright, hang on. What am I doing? Oh, alright, this needs to go to the right. Top left, right up, top left, right down, top right, face left, top right, face right. Alright. Now this one, we don't need to do anything in particular. We just need to do the algorithm so that we can get this piece out and put one of these pieces in there so that we can rearrange it and fix it. So I'll do the left algorithm. To the left, top right, left up, top right, left down, top left, face right, top left, face down. So your green is matched is what I mean by down. It was left. But now we have our red and our white piece out. And now it needs to go to the left. So top right, left up, top right, left down, top left, face right, top left, face down. And now we have the second layer completed.